Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mom. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mom. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Wala man si P.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Ay, sila sa uli.
Happy birthday to you!
Taras tangtang.
Happy birthday to you!
Taras tangtang.
Happy
Dalilin.
birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Asan si Ellen? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Pag pinatay mo, sindihan mo ulit ha.
Happy birthday to you. 1, 2. Dalilin na sana. Silip.
Sandali lang.
Hi Ma! Happy birthday! Gulat ka nung mga ganitong ganap ka this year. Yes naman, lakas maka-artista. Parang nasa asap lang yung pen mo pag may mga ganito. Sinadya ko talagang gabi mag-record kasi alam ko mahaba-haba na yung tulog ni Boss Amos yan. So, medyo tuloy-tuloy yung pag-message natin. Walang magpapakarga. So, anyway, happy birthday. Yes, 62. Parang 61 lang naman. Yung totoo. Ano ba ang wish ko? Later na ako mag-wish. Panoorin mo muna siya. Panoorin mo muna yung the whole clip. So, alam mo naman, pagpakapalan ng mukha, meron tayo ng very light. So, yung mga nabudol tayo magbigay ng mensahe at pagbati sa iyo para sa inyong kaarawan. And sana magustuhan mo, sana matuwa ka, and sana maiyak ka rin sa munting pasuppresa namin sa iyo ito. This is just to show kung gaano ka namin ka-love, kung gaano namin na-appreciate yung presence mo. And kung gaano kami ka-blessed to have you in our lives, to have you as our mom. Kaya sa ganitong paraan man lang, napakita namin sa iyo kung gaano ka namin na-appreciate. So, enjoy. Sana magustuhan mo.
It's that day that comes just once a year. We are happy that you are still here. If you think you're getting old, well honey, let the truth be told. You only have eternity to go. You made it one more time around the sun. Now's the time you have to have more fun. Kick up your heels, enjoy the ride, and let your God above just drive. Now's the time when we all have to say, have a happy birthday. Celebrate and dance with all your might. Have a happy birthday. Laugh and sing and celebrate your life. You are full of love and grace. It pleases us to see your smiling face, to see you rise and be a star. We know that you'll go really far. This life is short and you have just begun. So have a happy birthday. Celebrate and dance with all your might. Have a happy birthday. Laugh and sing and celebrate. Laugh and sing and celebrate. Laugh and sing and celebrate your life. Have a happy birthday. to rise and be a star. We know that you'll go really far. This life is short and you have just begun. So have a happy birthday. Celebrate and dance with all your might. Have a happy birthday. Laugh and sing and celebrate. Laugh and sing and celebrate. Laugh and sing and celebrate your life.
Hello, Day. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka dyan. Kahit wala kami dyan. Pilitin mo na maligaya ka sa birthday mo. Kasi kami rito, nagtitiis kami na hindi tayo magkasama. Para lang maligaya ang birthday mo, meron kaming konting regalo sa iyo. Ikaw na lang bahala dyan sa mga kasamahan mo. Sana maligaya ka sa birthday mo. Maraming salamat, Day. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ma.
I wish you're here and thank you for all your packages and also next birthday you're gonna celebrate here and I wish that you're here staying with us forever and this is your home and more birthdays to come. Bye, love you.
We love you.
Love you.
Next birthday, we're gonna celebrate with us. Bye.
Siguro bago ako mag-wish, gusto ko munang mag-thank you. Salamat. Salamat sa lahat-lahat. Hindi ko naiisahin yun. Kasi baka maubos yung memory card ko pag isa-isa ko pa yun. But thank you. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you sa lahat ng mga sacrifices mo for us. Parang for 62 years, pabibilang lang yata sa mga kamay natin yung birthdays na magkakasama tayo as a family. So siguro yung mawi-wish ko lang is this would be your last year na mag-birthday ka, hindi mo kami kasama, na hindi na siya masaselebrate na hindi kami kasama. So, sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahaba pang panahon in life na mag-celebrate ng birthday mo with us. And sana magpatina ka. Sana magpatina ka na lang din. Huwag na natin i-push yung, alam mo, yung peg mo na magiging Don Solueta, yung peg ng hair mo. Huwag na natin ipilit na. Huwag na natin ipilit. Mahirap talaga eh. Pero kung talagang choice mo naman na maging proud and loud sa mga gray hair mo, why not? Sige, ibigay na natin sa iyo yun. Sana lang i-guide ka and i-protect ka pa ni Lord every day na maging healthy and safe. Masaya ka sa iyong special day today. I know naman na happy ka pa rin kasi itinuturing mo na rin naman silang pamilya. So, happy birthday! I love you. We all love you. And see you soon. Sayang wala ka sa first birthday ni Boss Amos yan. So, that's it. Bye-bye! Happy birthday!
you very much.
Hello, kapatid. Happy, ano? Ilang taon na ba siya? Happy birthday. Sana, ano po sasabihin ko ba? Happy birthday at happy birthday. Maraming birthday, happy birthday.
Hello, big sister. Another year has gone by. Wishing you more birthdays to come. Happy 62nd birthday. Young, still very young, ha? Hinaot kita ng pang-grasya ang ihatag sa Ginoo sa imong kinabuhi. Keep safe. And again, happy birthday. Love you!
Bye-bye. Bye, guys.
Mamila, happy birthday! Sana next time dito ka na naman mag-birthday sa mga apo mo.
Uli na te, aron mo bantay ni Dudong Sayan eh. Ikaw na po'y bantay kaya si Chirian, bularga na, siya bularga. Buwang na ka, oy, pauli na. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday na, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mamela.
Happy birthday, and you have many more birthdays to come.
Oh, happy birthday.
Dami kitchon.
Happy birthday, Auntie Mel. Happy birthday, Auntie Mel. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Auntie Mel.
Hi, Auntie Mel. Happy birthday. We hope we can eat the rabu-rabu. And you, how about you?
And
God help
God help
and be
and
what? Be a good auntie
be good auntie
to
to
who?
me.
Oh, and you. What will you say to Auntie Mel?
I wish every wish of you can come true.
And then, God bless us.
Thank you, Auntie Mel.
And then,
Give it a hug.
and see you
See you next time to the holiday.
where? 5 sleep.
See you when it's 5 sleep.
In
5 sleep. And 5 sleep.
And then again, happy.
Happy birthday!
We wanted to hear.
Happy birthday!
Here again.
We love you!
We love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday! Love you!
Ayan, happy birthday. Wish ko lang. More birthdays to come. Good health. Happy birthday ulit yan. Good day.
Hi everybody! Maupay nga daw ay yung tanan nila. Inin Mel. Inin happy birthday. And may you have many more birthdays to celebrate. Maupay nga uli ka pag-celebrate ang imo birthday. Ito yung mga kids. Pero sayang lang kaya hindi na kami makakakada. Ay, manap ka ng pandemic. Sige lang, lagi next time. Greet you mo, happy birthday and many more. Sige, bye-bye. Bye.
Happy birthday, Yang. In this very special day, I want to give you a personalized birthday message. I still remember the time when we were kids. I just wanted to get away from you. Ano? May daghang sugo nga rin, sugo dito, mga sugo sa mga maguwang. Now, I can't get enough of you. Every time you're home, time is always of the essence. Limited always ang time. Mga time for banding na to, istorya dere, istorya nga to, until the wee hour of the morning. I miss those times. I still remember the time when Mama was still alive and all of us together were always making istorya, no? Di ba undang ang mga bonding moments, mga istorya. makatugan, mamathan ni Mama, magtabi paghihapon ta. And we were savoring those times when we were together. Matimplahan na lamang tag kape ni Mama. Hangtod magbuntag, we were always talking. And I miss those times. I miss our time together. Kita magsuon. Ang mga kantahan, even the time na si Mama namatay, we still give the songs sa mga favorite songs ni Mama. And I miss those. Ang mga kantyawan, mga kantahan, iyakan. I really miss those times. And thank you for being a leader. Ikaw always ang center sa mga activity nato. Thank you for being sweet and self-sacrificing sister. You are an amazing one. You are always there for us. I still remember the time when I was in high school. You were working in Manila, and you always take time to send us something, especially during the pasukan time. The notebooks, the bags, the ball pens, the sapatos that you send us makes a lot for us. It was precious to us, and we are thankful to have a sister like you. I know you set aside some funds even for your own needs, imong kalimtan just to send us something during the pasukan. That is how undying and self-sacrificing sister you are to us. And thank you for being you, for being the kind of sister that you are. You always give us something to treasure. Small things that counts a lot. We are so proud of you. And you are the role model that we always look up to. You hold our family together. One is last mama si papa, and our family is still there because of you. You act as inatay to us. Ina at tatay. Since we are already orphan, you are there. No? You make us bonded together. And thank you. You are always open and ready to help. You're a sister who is kind-hearted with this amazing, steadfast, and unquestionable love for us. Even if you have already your own family, you still have time to include us in your plans. No? And a sister who is always ready and open arms for those who is in need. It's unconditional love that you have shown to us. And thank you. I always look up to you for advice and guidance. So in your birthday today, I hope that God will continue to shower you with abundant blessing, the good health, including your kids and your apo and your family, and those undying friendship with your friends over there. I hope that you will remain strong and loving and awesome at the age of 62. You are still strong and wa na ka nagpina sa imong buko. And that's good. No? Usa na sa ako na buhaton when the time comes nga mag 60 ko, din ako magpina. And I hope God will continue to make your family strong and bonded with faith and love. Amping always. No, I hope that this birthday will be a celebration with a mom. Awesome. You are the best teacher sister that we have, and you deserve the best birthday ever to celebrate. Thank you for being you, for being an awesome handsome sister for us. May God bless you and shower you with all the blessings. Happy always, and we're here for you. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
I love you, Tita!
We love you, Ta.
We love you!
Love you, Ta.
Hello, Marie. Happy birthday! Stay happy and healthy always. See you soon on your next birthday with our grandkids. Amping, God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you.
Stay healthy,
Stay healthy,
safe,
safe,
at
and
happy.
happy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola Mel.
We love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Amelia, happy birthday. Wish you a good health, physically, mentally, and spiritually. And more blessings and birthdays to come. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Melia. Musta na? Love you. Enjoy po. Hi, Tita Mel. Happy birthday. See you.
Hello, Lola Mel. This is Isa.
And I am AJ.
Happy birthday, Lola Mel.
Happy birthday, Lola Mel. Happy birthday, Lola Mel. Keep safe. We love you. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Lola Amelia. We wish you happiness on your special day.
Stay safe and healthy.
And always be pretty.
Happy birthday, Tita Amelia. Stay young. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Melia. Always keep safe, diha. Enjoy your day always. And God bless you always. Happy birthday! Oh, I get it.
Happy birthday.
God bless always.
Tita, happy 62nd birthday. Na I wish you good health, long life, then kung makaari na ka. Thank you kayo sa imong suporta sa pagkaabot na mo diri as a Cebu. Not only did you provide financially for us, you also help us emotionally na emotionally support na diri yung kung school na o diba yung mga po miss na ka uli na lagi din niya mo kung tita diri tita Joseph uli na mo din niya ba para sa first birthday din niya. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Mamila, I wish that you're here and thank you for all the packages and also more birthdays to come. Love you. Bye.
Ni Hao Cha. Happy birthday.
all the way from Saudi Arabia. Wherein ang mga tao diri ay mahilig munong og tsaa. And speaking of tsaa, did you know nga dili ko makalimot sa imong cold tea nga naay lemon flavor? Tungod kay delicious na, nutritious pa. So, cheers for the good health always. Ladyo sa coronavirus and more wonderful years to have with the family. Well, ami, dili pareha sa imo. So continue to be cheerful, industrious, loving, caring, thoughtful, and most of all, beautiful. Tungod sa coronavirus, kadahugas na ako karon og kamot. Bukanta ko og happy birthday para sa imo. Dili lang kay kausa, kundi kaduha. So sit back siya and relax, have a break, and enjoy the celebration. Pero, musunod sa safety health protocols. Happy birthday, Cha, and see you soon.
What's up, Jamil? We're doing this video to greet you a happy birthday, girl. We are so excited. How I wish na nandyan kami to celebrate with you, but I'm sure everybody's excited to pamper you today. You're such a good person. You're such a beautiful person in and out. We love you. We love your energy, your good vibes, your generosity to us. Nag-send nga si Chirian ng pictures of us during Pasig days, and it brought a lot of good and happy memories. We're grateful and thank you for treating us as your family too. O sige, hindi ko na pahabain kasi kakantahan ka pa namin ng Hawaiian version of Happy Birthday. Para naman may silbi itong makasama ko rito. Okay, here we go. Ready? Haolilahanaw yahoy, haolilahanaw yahoy, haolilahanaw tiamelya, haolilahanaw yahoy.
Happy birthday, Cha. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chamelia. We wish you good health always. We love you.
Happy Amelia.
More birthdays to come.
Stay healthy.
God bless.
Amping kanunay di Ate Amelia.
Hi, Ja! Happy birthday from your family here in Bukidnon.
Ja, we wish you all the best in life. May God bless you and give you good health always.
We love you!
Ja. Keep safe. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to my wonderful and generous tita. Greetings from your beautiful pamangkin. Well, I wish you to live long and may you always have good health, tita. And may God give you more blessings because you deserve all the blessings in the world. May you always have that wonderful smile in your face. And I miss you, tita. I love you. Hope to see you soon. Banding ta diri sa Lapu-Lapu.
Hi, Lola Mel.
Happy birthday, Lola
Mel. Stay healthy.
Ingat palagi.
Ingat palagi.
We love you.
We love you.
Hello, tita. Happy birthday. Thank you for everything. Thank you for always being a blessing to others. We love you so much. Ingat kayo lahat dyan. Have a very happy birthday. So always stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Lola Mel. Bye-bye.
We will see you soon. Hopefully.
Surprise!
surprise you very much. Yata, happy birthday. Salamat sa kahaya ug sa kalambo sa among pagkoreksyon sa akong kinabuhi. Nya diya karon na ani bunga na jud ay imong sakto jud ka sa imong giingon sa na mahitap makainundom ra ka sa kung ipangsulti sa katong maniguong na karon awa may titrace na nasakto jud ay tagtagnaan jud nimong panahon na sa imo nang bisaniti ano gi-share hindi karon na bunga jud eh. This is the first step by step and thank you for all the guidance. Nasi kita mo koreksyon ako og nangay po salamat sa tanan kayuan ninyo. I love you. And we love you very much. Happy birthday!
Hi, Tita! Happy birthday! Surprise! So, ka nag-expect ano? There are a lot of things I want to say to you. I miss you a lot. I wish I could hug and greet you in person. Words can't express how thankful I am to you. I look up to you a lot, and I respect you. You've been like another mother to me. You spent simple moments with me, talked with me, jammed along and sing with me, brought home a lot of toys from abroad for me. And those simple moments that you share.
Dresses.
Yeah, dresses too.
Shoes.
Scrunchies, headbands, simple gifts, and
Burluloy.
yeah, burluloy. Yeah, those simple moments that you've shared with me meant a lot to me. Up until now, I'm thankful. Those simple moments that you shared with me has still stayed with me until now. And Tita, uli na! Hindi mo na joke ko. Katong nagbakasin po ni mama, wapag may ka-timing na ako. Katurang taling last time nga nagbuan ta, nagkita kay katong nag-bake-bake lang atin si Riba. Ito, katong gitar-gitar.
Oo, ganun ka na.
Dede ka.
Oh, nag-record man si Tita Mila mo wala kanta-kanta ni. Hilig jud si Tita og kuan ba?
Jamming.
Thankful jud ko kay ipang record ni Jack moments na kabata na ako antud pagka panahon ako. Look back ko na. Salamat din ani.
Ya ato na po nabus akong confidence ato. Salamat ta.
Tita,
Good job.
yeah, may you have all the joy in the world. Not just today on your birthday, but always. And may God shower you with a lot of blessings and give you a longer life. Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Milia. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Greetings from me and Arthur. Happy birthday!
Hi Nang! Happy birthday po! Stay healthy and young at heart. And may God bless you whatever your heart desires. At sana bigyan ka pa niya ng mahabang buhay. Mga 60 years pa ulit. And mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Happy birthday po! I love you, Nang!
Birthday na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nana Mel. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Emilia.
Tita Mel, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
God bless. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Di na kong bilat.
Pagkapinan pagadod Mel na ampo
Bilya, guwapa.
natok ang taon.
Sige. Bel, happy birthday, Bel. Di abi nagaling sa dagat. Di abi sa dagat, nag-gombing-gombing, lingaw-lingaw.
Oh, kita mo na, happy birthday.
Bilya, guwapa. Happy birthday to you.
More years to come. I'm Lucy. Happy birthday, Bel! POV! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. God will guide you and give you more blessings and graces to your life. Kay arang ka kung kaayo nimo kanang manggihatagon ka kaayo sa atong mga bats man wa gud mabalhin ang imong batasan. Tapos God will provide you everything. Mel, 61 pa ka, Mel. Ako kay 60, running na ko 63. Tiguing na ko, Mel. Parang nagadug ko. Hindi ko kalimot na mo, Mel, sa iyong kuan ka ng kindness, baka adyo ba, may wholehearted ka ko nga, kuan ka ng manggihatagong ka ko sa ako, isa ning anira ko, imo baswit ka pobre. So, hindi ko kalimot sa atong mga pods, atong kita yung classmate mo ta sa kuan grade, 3rd year o 4th year, kanang magluto ng tabirak. Mga cake, kuan ka doon ko ni mo, Mil, kaapti ka doon ni Milya, oy. Ikaw ka doon sa ako, batchmate na, classmate pa ka doon, batchmate pa ka doon si Bintesis nga, arang ka generous. Human, kuan ka nang, wak ka doon mambalhin, ang kahambol ka doon. Human, maghatagon, gwapa gihapon, dagadagaon. Muna si Emilia Abing, iampo ka na ko kanunay po ha, kay misimba ba ko kada adlaw. Ako ka pa, kanan magpamisa ko pasalamat sa imo. 60, kung kami 61 yung kami, 62, nakalimot naman ko, minuti ko yung naging pamilya. I wish you the best and most joyful birthday. Maado ka ba ng taong kay maghihapon, bisan ang mo lawas ng mga anak, hindi ka manggado gihapon. Ingat nila, oy, kay narabang ka doon mga bayan ka, tubig ka ron, di ka kasabot. Ang ginawa ka doon, magkuhanin mo ka doon, provide kay kasabot ang ginawa ikaw maghatapon sa imo mga igsoon, sa imo classmate, batchmate, tabi na sa ako, dito ko kalimot niyo nil. Ang nga ba na ako kakulit nil, ano ba ang magkunimo ko na akananong, na si Milya mo, at ko sa idot ko bayan, idot mo uyaw ni Milya. Kay sa ako ba kung sa huna-huna kasing-kasing nga ikaw, Milya, gadog ko nga pure, gadog ko mabalhin Milya. God bless and kuan kanang i-enjoy ang imong birthday karong May 30, 2021. Maura to Mel. Bye-bye Mel. God bless.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, Mel.
Advance pa.
Ha? Advance? Advance.
May 30 pa, iyang birthday.
May 30? Oh, Mel. Advance happy birthday. Advance happy birthday, Mel.
Tingnan nga, I'm Pedro.
I'm Pedro. Pedro de... Taga sumuhi.
Happy birthday, Mel.
Happy birthday. Ajar ka pangutana. Kung pila na yung edad ko man. Importante, nag-survive ta aning pandemic. From all of us here, this is Kabalian, among batchmates, classmates, and we are collectively known as Batch 76. Best wishes, enjoy your day, and looking forward for many years to come. Happy birthday.
Yeah, Senator Marge kilala mo? Ito kumari mo syempre.
Diba? Dito, Marge. Happy birthday. Sus, Ginoo. Kadugan man nato, no? Magkaibigan, Marge. Magkaibigan, magkumari. Ano na, lahat-lahat na yata nandiyan na. Kaya happy birthday ulit, okay? Ito yung dalawa kong, ano pa, mga friend mo, mga BFF din. Okay. Happy birthday, Ate Mel. I love you. Love you too. Love you too. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Nagsulo na ka dun eh. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mel. May you have many more birthdays to come. Stay safe and take care. Dugay na tayo magkakita na amping ka diha sa inyong trabaho. Kumusta sa kayo? Masama yung kagitan. Double fight man ta, back to back. Isigot yung manubay, ikaw ang parang. So, happy birthday. More birthdays to come.
Mel, happy birthday! Kumusta nga diha? Dato ka naman pila ng katuwing nga diha. Kung may kikuan-kuan, bilyonary ka naman siguro. Mga Tonil, bahin, kung sino, dahil barko ni mo, biyay dire.
Happy birthday! Mel, happy birthday! Ha? Birthday mo dyan mo kuman. Greetings from taga-Mercado. Di na lamang kung mukha mo ngayon, kailan baga dyan. Happy birthday ha! Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday,
Marimelia.
Mars, happy birthday!
Hoy, minto ka na dyan sa Hong Kong. Pahinga ka na. Marami ka na apo. Hindi mo na kailangan pera dyan. Solve na. Tambay na tayo sa atin. Masaya roon. Ligo-ligo dagat. Walang tubig. Happy birthday, Marge. Saka long life. More birthdays to come.
Mars, ano ba naman yan? Inabutan na tayo ng pandemic. Hindi pa rin tayo nagkikita. Pero, ingat ka parati and hope to see you soon. Soon talaga. Okay, happy birthday. God bless. Ingat ha, ingat. Bye.
Hello, Inday. Mabatiin lang kita ng happy birthday. Sa Sunday na. Happy birthday, Inday. Yun lang, wala naman akong masabi kasi halos araw-araw naman kitang binabati ng birthday mula nung May 1 pa yata. So, yun lang, happy birthday na lang. Nandito, wish ko lang sa'yo na sana lagi kang malusog, although talaga na malusog ka na. Dati pa. At saka, ano pa ba, nandito lang ako. Kasama na kita ng magti 30 years na sa next year. Nandito lang ako na na kinukontak ng mga taong tumatawag sa'yo na hindi mo sinasagot. At tagasagot ng mga message mo na hindi mo rin sinasagot. Kaya yun lang. Happy birthday. Palakad-lakad lang ako rito. Parang kung sila ulo nagsasalita. Happy birthday, Inday. God bless. See you Sunday. And I love you. God bless you. Babushki. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ate Mel! Surprise! Piniwish ka na namin ng isang maligayang bating kaarawan. Ganun ba yun?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Mel. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy birthday. We wish you all the best, all the love, all the happiness, good health and everything. Lahat na ng maganda. I-wish na namin sa iyo. And happy birthday, Ate Mel. At maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat. Happy birthday, Ate Mel. Bye.
Sige lang. Bye. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Mel! More birthdays to come. May the Lord grant your heart desire and good health our husband. Happy birthday, Tita Mel! Happy birthday! God bless you and hope na sana mahaba pa ang buhay at hindi ka tatalaban ng virus. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Nakamos na! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tita Mel!
Happy birthday! We wish you good health and happiness. God bless you more and more and more. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Ate Mel!
Happy birthday, Mel! Ilang taon ka na ngayon.
Sabi ko sana God bless. Sino kami yung kapitbahay sa kondo? Kami yung kapitbahay mo sa kondo. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Enjoy! God bless. Magpapansin ka na ate sa next Sunday.
Happy birthday, Ate Mel. God bless.
Pizza to? Pizza dito tingan?
Ate It's.
Ate Mel, una. Ate Mel, why kumidya? Happy birthday, Ate Mel. Seryoso ni. Basta seryoso.
Kasi masamat ka niya ba?
Tinaot nga may balawas kerni. O kaskas pagigmayo.
Tama sa...
Okay? Basta, we love you. We love you.
Happy birthday. Yung kana. How old are you? How young are you? God bless, and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Mel. May you have many, many more birthdays to come and more candles to blow.
Happy birthday, Ate Mel! Ginawa sa kagantang taas na kinabuhi ni Papa Jesus.
Happy birthday, Ate Mel. May you have a good health and your dreams come true. Unsa to? Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Morning yan. Happy birthday. And I wish you good health as always. God bless you always. I love you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Ate Mel. It's your birthday today. And another year. It's another year of challenge. Remember to keep smiling and have a positive outlook of life. And everything will be good, will be fine. And you are a good friend. You are a good ate. You are a good mommy.
I wish your birthday is as special as you are. May God bless you more. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday na ni Mel. Hinaut nga tagaan kapag taas kinabuhi sa atong labang makagagahom. Kung hinaut usab nga tagaan po kaniyag kapiskay sa imong panlawas. Ilabi na gid ani imong adlaw na tawhan. Happy birthday and enjoy your birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Hi, Auntie Mel. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hi, Ate Mel. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. God bless. Bye.
Tulo.
Tulog.
Upat. Tulog.
Tulog.
Upat.
Apat.
5.
Lima.
6.
Anong.
7.
Ito.
8.
Walo.
Siyam.
Siyam.
10.
Napulo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Maghinaw ko tagan pagod ng katuigan sa tuwang makagahon. I'm pretty sure because ikaw na ang pinaka-wonder woman that I've been sanay sa ako ang nalibawaan. Grabe ka talented, grabe ka buutan, wapa, daghang tanong po. Salamat din sa mga kaayaw ng gatag. Padayon sa mga pagkadagat sa ating Ginoo. Tabi na ang mga pagkagitaris. Daghang kayo sa mga sa pag-share sa mga talent. Happy birthday. That's it. God bless you.
Nagawas mi sa among mansion guys kay naami mission.
Ang mission namo is nay nag-message namo nga kinahanglan
Mo submit daw mi og video sa iya.
oo kay
Iya daw
birthday daw.
i-edit.
So ang atong mission karon bay is unsa man?
Mo greet ko sa akong minangski og happy birthday. More blessings to come. More apos to come. And happy together with Titing, my loves.
Yes, Ate Mel.
Happy birthday ni Nangski.
Ate Mel, happy birthday. Hope you were having long life. Char. Bitaw Ate Mel, wishing you a wondrous and prosperous
New Year birthday. Tarong nga ba?
Happy New Year. Hindi. Prosperous and fruitful years to come, more years to celebrate, and always healthy, happy, enjoy life lang, stay happy, stay healthy, and many more years to celebrate. Mabuhay!
Emilia Malubay.
Happy birthday!
Happy
Mama,
birthday ni
Chup-chup.
Nangski. Ipadayon lang ng imuhang ka tambo karon. Ayaw pagpapayat kay kinahanglan mas taba pa ka kaysa sa ako Happy birthday, more blessings to come.
birthday,
Thank you
Ate.
for everything.
Yes.
We love you.
And
Mama.
chup-chup.
Happy birthday. God bless you, ate. Hindi kita makakalimutan. Dahil pag may problema ako, ikaw ang nilalapitan ko. Kahit man magkalayo tayo, ate pa rin kita. I love you, ate. Happy birthday and God bless you, ate.
Hello, Ate Mel. Happy birthday. Kumusta na po? I wish you all the best, ate. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday na isa-celebrate. Namimiss ko po kayo. Sana lagi kang nasa mabuting kalagayan. Kahit di na tayo nakikita, wish ko pa rin na ikaw ay laging nasa mabuting kalagayan. I miss you and happy birthday. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Mamel. I wish you good health and may God continue to shower you with all the blessings that you truly deserve. Best birthday!
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. H-A-P-P-Y, H-A-P-P-Y, H-A-P-P-Y. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Amelia! Hi, it's Megan and Cade, and we are wishing you happy birthday from sunny Tampa, Florida. We hope you have a great day, and I've told Cade about you, and he wanted to join and wish you happy birthday and send you lots of love. Cade is going into the 4th grade. He only has 1 more week of school.
2 more days of school.
2 more days of school, yeah. So he's very excited for the summer to start. But we hope you have a great day with your family. We love you so much. Hope to see you one day soon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday